Hello, friend. It's Mark with Bridge IT Support with another tech tip for you. This episode, we're going to talk about buying a new computer or PC or cell phone. When those devices come from the factory, they have what we call factoryware loaded on them, and really, or some people might call it bloatware. And really, what it is just a bunch of free programs that vendors pay them to load on all the new computers, so that when you turn it on, a bunch of pop-ups come up and they try to sell you stuff or try to scare you into doing something. And so all these things are running on the background in your computer or tablet or whatever it is. Um, and they take up processor speed. They also become vulnerable over time to hackers because if a hacker finds a way to get in through that old app that nobody's paying attention to, they can get in later on into your computer. So the moral of the story is this. Um, if you buy a new computer, PC, laptop, phone, anything that has factoryware on it, remove that stuff. Remove any application or software that you're not using. If you ever have us install a computer for you, we already do that. We put the computer or server back in our lab. We completely wipe it clean of everything that comes from the factory and then build it all back up to our specifications. And as always, thank you for your business. We'll see you next week.